This is Abel Production.
DJ 4.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my signature makeup look. If you wanna know how did I achieve this look, please keep watching. I already moisturized my skin, so I'm gonna start applying the base, and I'm using only one pump and mixing it with 1 drop of FARSALI, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. By the way, the base I'm using is Revlon, and I'm going to apply a very little amount of product as I'm not a big fan of full coverage when it's come to daily routine makeup. For concealer, I'm using Revlon Youth, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid bow, chin, and a little bit on my laugh line. To set everything in place, I'm going to apply Huda Beauty baking powder. For my eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Carbro in the shade number 5. And I'm going to slowly fill in the gap. I usually don't do my eyebrows in the videos because it takes a lot of time to get them done in shape. But in this video, I'm keeping everything simple and natural. Now to set my brows, I'm using the Benefit Carbro gel. I already have primed my eyes. I'm taking the lighter shade from Kat Von D and going to apply it on all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a white yellow shade and applying it on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm gonna take some brown eyeshadow and going to apply it on my crease and blend it at the same time. Moving on to the MAKKE eyeliner, and I'm going to create a winged eyeliner. To highlight my inner corner, I'm using the Huda Beauty highlighter. To give a cat eye effect, I'm going to create a thin line on my tear ducts and I'm using the same black eyeliner. This part is optional, but I love doing it this way because this is the part of my signature look. Now I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and I'm going to press it over the top just to create eyeshadow wing effect. To line my waterline, I'm using the beige pencil from Makeup Forever in the shade 502. Now I'm going to apply Marc Jacobs mascara on my top and my bottom lashes. To contour my whole face, I'm using the Urban Decay palette and I'm going to contour under my cheekbone, side of my forehead, jawline, and my nose. For my blush, I'm using the same palette and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. To highlight my high points, I'm using the Huda Beauty highlighter palette and I'm going to apply the base highlighter first. And to set the base highlighter, I'm going to take some white pearl powder and applying it over the top with my fan brush. To line my lips, I'm using the LA Girl pink lip liner and also I'm going to fill a little bit on my whole lips with the same pencil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply nude lip gloss from Talkz. There's one more thing I completely forgot, is the same brown eyeshadow that I have applied on my crease. I'm going to apply it on my lower eyelid as well. Last but not least, I'm using the MAKKE Fix Plus setting spray. And that completes the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.